Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy sandwich recipe that is going to be super delicious. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm Scovia and I love showing you easy and amazing recipes. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients. I have some fresh bread over here and cheese, ham and butter. So we are going to be making a very delicious grilled cheese sandwich. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to move over to my stove top and I'm using medium flame. So make sure the flames are medium. And then as my pan gets hot, I'm going to butter my bread. So I'm going to butter my top and then I'm going to flip and butter the other side. So once done, I'm going to flip and this is how my bread is looking. So this is a very simple recipe. So I'm going to add in my ham. And then I've sliced some mozzarella cheese which was left over. So I'm going to add 2 pieces. And then I'm going to grate in some cheddar cheese which is also left over. I love adding both mozzarella and cheddar cheese because cheddar cheese is, you can taste cheddar cheese, but mozzarella I love it because you'll have a very nice cheese pull. Yeah. So when done, so you add the cheese to your liking. If you like a lot of cheese, you add. If you don't like a lot of cheese, you can shred some cheddar cheese, and if you have the mozzarella slices, the ones that are already sliced, you can add that. But today I'm going to be using my own. I'm going to place the other toast on top, press a little bit, and then I'm going to transfer to my hot pan. I'm going to press down a little bit and then I'm going to let the sandwich toast for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium-low flame. So you keep watch because you don't want the toast to burn. Yeah. So the butter is going to help the bread to have a very nice golden brown color. So I'm going to check on my bread. Flip. Just look at that. Very nice. So as the bread toasts, the cheese is going to melt and you're going to have a very nice sandwich. Very delicious. Once ready, I'm going to transfer to my plates. And then I'm going to do one more. Butter my bread once more. Just like that. Flip the bread, pick my ham, and then I'm going to place my cheese, starting the mozzarella and some cheddar. So once done, I'm going to place my other toast on top, and then I'm going to transfer to my pan. Listen to that sizzle. Very nice. Press down a little bit, and then I'm going to let the pan do its own magic. I'm going to transfer my sandwich to my chopping board, and then I'm going to slice in. So I'm using a serrated knife. Look at the cheese melting. So you have to try out this recipe because it's going to be super yummy. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I catch you on my next episode. Bye.